Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing you the developments shaping markets, capital access, and business decision-making across Jamaica and the region. Let's get into the stories that matter. Jamaica Broilers Group has entered into agreement to sell its American Best Dressed Chicken processing plant located in South Carolina in the United States. The plant was acquired from Gentry's Poultry Company in September 2019 and was rebranded to operate under the Best Dressed Chicken brand, serving the U.S. market. It is understood that the sale is predicated on shoring up Jamaica Broilers' accounts, which were hit with a multi-billion-dollar fraud discovered in its U.S. operations in 2025. Further, the 46 billion Jamaican dollars accounting irregularities were uncovered by Jamaica Broilers management. As part of the company's restructuring from the multi-billion-dollar fraud, NCB Financial Group 2 months ago provided a $15.1 billion financing package to stabilize operation. The deal includes $6.4 billion in loans and $8.7 billion in bonds, aimed at supporting restructuring, strengthening local operations, and correcting overseas accounting irregularities. Managing Director Fosrich and Vice President of the Jamaica Manufacturers and Exporters Association, JMEA, Cecil Foster, is urging the government to move swiftly to address a looming energy crisis stemming from the conflict involving the United States, Israel, and Iran. Speaking to RJR News, Mr. Foster warned that Jamaica's already high energy costs are among the highest globally, making the local manufacturing sector uncompetitive and contributing to significant trade deficits. He revealed that members of the JMEA's Energy Committee have been engaging investors and technical experts in the Dominican Republic to examine strategies used there to lower electricity costs and boost industrial competitiveness. He noted that while Jamaica Public Service Company is not objecting to power wheeling, producers would be required to pay a fee to transmit electricity from where it's generated to where it's needed. He added that these issues should form a part of ongoing discussions surrounding the JPS's new licensing regime. Motorists will see a slight relief at the pumps this week after several weeks of increases in fuel prices. The state-owned refinery Petrojam says effective Thursday, most fuel categories will decrease by 25 cents per litre. E1087 will sell for $176.63 per litre, while E1090 will move to 184.08 cents. Automotive diesel will be priced at $189, ultra-low sulfur diesel at $195.85, and kerosene at $178.39 per litre. However, propane cooking gas will increase by 38 cents, selling for $77.68 per litre, while butane will fall by 22 cents to $85.80. Retailers will add their markups to the announced prices. For the trading period of April 15, 2026, the most actively traded securities were Fosrich Company Limited with 14,077,155 units, or 40.22% of market sales activities. QWI Investments Limited with 5,551,017 units, representing 15.86% of market sales activities. Kentire Holdings Jamaica Limited with 2,365,121 units, representing 6.76% of market sales activities. Investor activity remained concentrated in finance, conglomerates, and distribution plays, signaling continued interest in dividend-producing and strategic assets. Turning to the foreign exchange market based on Bank of Jamaica's data for April 15, 2026. Forex traders recorded significant activity with strong demand across major currencies. For the US dollar, trading margins reflected steady liquidity, with the US selling at $157.22 and buying at $159.27. For the Canadian dollar, moderate gains supported by 30-cent transaction spreads. The Canadian dollar sold for $115.37 and was bought for $115.07. For the British pound, continued volatility. It offered short-term trading opportunities of $8.59 in profits for the banks. The British pound sold for $217.24 and was bought for $208.65. These movements underscore the importance of cash flow timing and currency awareness for businesses managing import costs, debt servicing, or overseas exposure. For our credit report tip of the day, most business owners wait until they need money before reaching out to their banker, and that's where things fall apart. Instead, set up a simple system so you're always ready. Start by creating one central file, whether it's Google Sheets or Excel. Call it a banker update tracker. This will be your control panel for everything your banker may need. Inside that tracker, list the key documents: income statement, balance sheet, cash flow, receivables, payables, and any loan schedules. And then add 3 columns next to each item. So you're going to look at the last updated date, the next update, and who is responsible for this information. Then set a routine update, which is your core financial monthly, and review everything at the start of the new month so nothing falls behind. The goal is simple: stay ready, not reactive. When your documents are updated, easy to access, and backed by clear explanations, your banker can move faster, give you better guidance, and take you more seriously when opportunities come up. And that's today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing you clarity to capital, markets, and strategy. Until next time, stay informed, stay intentional, and keep building forward. See you soon.